Hi, I'm Tony Fergali.
Hi, I'm Raymond Tenorio.
Hi, I'm Sean Levin.
Hi, I'm Will Bruce.
And today, we're getting Kirsty a cold.
Barbara Streisand.
I am so sorry. Everyone's asking questions.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, I feel really bad.
Correspondence.
Oh, I see what you have.
You're a good dancer.
Felt little sprays. Wait, was that legit spray?
Yeah.
Oh god, what the hell? I thought it was spray! No! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die tonight!
That was gross. I thought he sprayed, like when he like a chew, he like sprayed and then like walked away. But he actually like sneezed and then I was like,
20 for a second.
I thought that was
Why are you still recording? This is terrible!
I am so I apologize. I didn't mean it's prank.